Excuse me, sir? Hello. I think I am lost. Can you help me, please?
Oh, hello there, young lady. Of course, I can try. Where do you need to go?
Thank you. I want to go to the London Eye. Is it far from here?
The London Eye? That's a nice place. It's not too far. Maybe a 15-minute walk.
Oh, that's good. Which way should I go? I don't have a map.
No problem. You see that big clock tower over there? That's Big Ben.
Yes, I see it. It's very tall and beautiful.
Good. Walk straight towards Big Ben. Then, turn left at the big river. That's the River Thames.
Walk to Big Ben, then turn left at the river? Okay, I understand.
Yes, exactly. Keep walking along the river. You will see the London Eye on your right soon.
Thank you so much for your help. You are very kind.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your visit to the London Eye. Have a lovely day.
Excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Of course, dear. What's the matter?
I am lost. I cannot find my hotel.
Oh, no problem. What is the name of your hotel?
It is called the Victoria Hotel. Do you know it?
Yes, I know that hotel. It is near the station.
Really? How can I get there from here?
Go straight down this road. Then turn right at the big church.
Turn right at the big church. Okay, I understand.
After that, walk for about 5 minutes. You will see the hotel on your left.
Thank you so much. You are very kind.
You're welcome. Have a lovely day in London.
Excuse me, sir. I am lost. Can you help me?
Of course, young lady. Where do you want to go?
I need to go to the London Eye. But I don't have a map.
Ah, the London Eye. It's very famous. Do you see Big Ben over there?
Big Ben? Is that the tall clock tower?
Yes. Big Ben is the big clock. Now, the London Eye is near Big Ben.
Oh, I can see Big Ben. It looks beautiful. How do I get there?
Walk towards Big Ben. Then, you will see a big bridge. That is Westminster Bridge.
A bridge? Like over the river?
Exactly. Cross Westminster Bridge. The London Eye is on the other side.
Thank you very much. So, go to Big Ben, then cross the bridge?
That's right. Look for the big wheel by the river. You can't miss it.
Thank you for your help. You are very kind.
You're welcome, dear. Enjoy the London Eye.
Excuse me, sir? I'm a bit lost. I am looking for the train station. Do you know where it is?
Oh, the station? Yes, yes, it's very close. Just round the corner there.
Round the corner? Which corner, please? I don't see it.
Ah, you see this street here? Walk straight ahead for just 1 minute. Then, turn right at the big tree.
Okay, walk straight, then turn right at the tree. And then I see the station?
Exactly. After you turn, it's right there. You can't miss it. Big building, lots of buses outside.
Big building and buses? That sounds easy. Thank you so much.
No trouble at all, young lady. Enjoy your trip. London's a lovely place, even when you get a little lost.
I will try. So, straight to the tree, then right? One more time, please?
That's it. Straight to the big tree, turn right, and the station is right in front of you. Safe journey.
Excuse me? Can you help me please?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
I want to go to Big Ben. Which bus or train should I take?
The best way is the tube. Take the Circle Line to Westminster Station.
Circle Line? How do I find it?
See the signs here? Follow the yellow signs for the Circle Line.
Okay, yellow signs. Do I need a ticket?
Yes, do you have an Oyster card? Or you can buy a ticket here.
I can buy a ticket. How much is it please?
It's £2.40 for a single journey. Put your money in here.
Thank you. And how long does it take to get there?
About 15 minutes on the train. You'll see Big Ben when you exit the station.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a nice visit to Big Ben.
Hello. Excuse me, I need help. I think I'm lost.
Oh dear. No worries, love. Where are you trying to go?
I want to see Big Ben. But my map is gone. My phone battery is dead too.
Ah, right you are. You're actually quite close. Just nip down this street.
Nip down? What does that mean? Sorry, my English is basic.
My mistake. Nip down means go quickly. Walk down this road for 5 minutes.
Okay, walk down the road. Then what?
You'll see a big church on your left. That's your landmark. After that, hang a right.
Hang a right? Is that like turning?
Spot on. Hang a right means turn right. You'll see Big Ben straight after that turn.
Thank you so much. And, one more thing? What does spot on mean?
Ha! Spot on means exactly right. You're learning quickly. Need anything else?
No, that's perfect. Thanks for being patient.
My pleasure. Mind how you go now.
Mind how I go? Is that a goodbye?
Yes, dear. It just means, be careful on your way. Enjoy Big Ben.
I will. Thank you again. You've been lovely.
Anytime. Pop back if you get stuck again.
What does pop back mean? Is it like, return?
You've got it. Pop back means come back quickly. Now off you go before it rains.
Excuse me, I need help with directions again. Can you please tell me the top phrases for asking the way?
Of course. The first important phrase is where is the? For example, where is the train station? This helps you find places.
Okay, I understand. Where is the, is number one. What is the second phrase?
Number 2 is how do I get to? Like, how do I get to the museum? This asks for directions to a place.
Got it. how do I get to? That makes sense. What is the third phrase?
Third is it far from here? This helps you know if you can walk or need transport. Very useful.
Yes, is it far from here, is good. I don't want to walk too far. What is the fourth phrase?
Fourth is, can you show me on the map? Even without a map, people often have phones. This makes it clearer.
Can you show me on the map? That is helpful for visual learners like me. And the last one?
Finally, which way is? For example, which way is north, or which way to the park? Simple and direct.
Thank you. Now I remember. Where is the, how do I get to, is it far from here, can you show me on the map, and which way is?
Perfect. Practice these and you'll never feel lost in London again. Good luck.
Hello. Excuse me, please? Can you help me?
All right, love? Bit lost, are you? Where you trying to get to?
Yes, lost. I need to go to the London Eye. Which way, please?
The big wheel. Right then. You're nearly there. See this road?
This road? Yes.
Okay. Walk straight on this road, past the red buses. Keep going.
Straight, past buses. Okay.
Soon, you see a big bridge. Big River Bridge. That's the one.
A bridge? Over water?
Yes. The Thames, that's the river. Cross the bridge. Not too far.
Cross the bridge? Okay.
After bridge, turn left. Walk a little bit. Then you see it. Big and round.
Turn left after bridge. See the London Eye. Thank you so much.
No worries, duck. Enjoy the view. Mind how you go now.